Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the virtual controller error when trying to launch Skat or EA Sports FC26 on your Windows PC. Let's get started. If you have DS4 Windows running, go to your taskbar, right-click it, and select Exit. If you use ReWASD, right-click it on the taskbar and close it as well. Also close programs like Joy2Key, Razer Synapse, Corsair ICUE, or any other controller/keyboard mapping tools. Step 2. Right-click the Start menu and open Task Manager. Look for daemon tools or other virtual controller services. If you find them, right-click and select End Task. Step 3. Right-click the Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand Storage Controllers. If you see daemon tools listed, right-click and select Disable Device. Click Yes to confirm. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. If daemon tools or similar drivers are listed here, right-click and disable them as well. Close other background apps. If you have Auto Hotkey running, make sure to close it. Also close anti-cheat tools like Faceit, Riot Vanguard, or Riot Client. If you're running Logitech G Hub or other mouse/keyboard utilities, close them too. If closing or disabling apps didn't work, you may need to uninstall programs like DS4 Windows, daemon tools, or other conflicting controller software completely. That's it. After following these steps, the virtual controller error in Skat should be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.